we have submitted the final ultimatum to the Chief Minister today, and we have also ensured that our 10 non-negotiable demands are all placed before the cabinet today. Okay, so we are here because it has been 8 months almost from the month of May, June. We have been writing letters, we have been protesting with the government, and the government has not responded to us at all. Today there are protests taking place across the state, especially where the work is going on for the double tracking in those villages, and the protests are intensifying. Now we have reached a stage where the people have come to a conclusion, and remember, this is a people's movement. This is a apolitical, peaceful movement for the rights of our children and for protecting our national interests. So all of us people together have decided that we are giving this final ultimatum to the government that we are no longer going to wait. We are going to intensify the agitation. We are going to take it to the next level of mass movements, civil disobedience movements, and whatever it takes to save our country, our state, and this world. And we also would like to say that this movement will always remain apolitical. We want it will be a people's movement. The people will be the decision makers, because we believe people's power is supreme and people are really the repository of wisdom of the country.
How is the impact on the movement, on the coal industry?
You see, at the moment 12 million tons of coal is being handled. They want to increase it to 137 million tons of coal. Now this is about 3 times the maximum iron ore that was being handled in 2011 and 12. And all Goans know at that peak of iron ore mining what was the situation in terms of pollution, in terms of destruction of our economies and livelihoods. Now this is going to be 3 times that, and it's going to be coal. Therefore everybody across Goa knows well that they are all affected. More than 100 panchayats out of 189 have taken resolution: we don't want coal and we don't want our rivers to be nationalized, because another big threat is that all our 6 rivers are to be taken under the control of the central government for this coal transportation, which will devastate lakhs of people's lives, which will devastate the very existence of Goa. So all of Goans are up in arms together to stop this peacefully, non-violently, following Gandhian principles, and to achieve our objective of saving our state. The government, we have been writing representation from the month of June. We have submitted the government's own documents we have got from their websites and under RTI. We have given back to the government saying that this is the evidence. And till today, the government has not been able to produce a single document in reply to our documents, or showing that we are wrong, or showing somewhere that whatever we are pointing out is in any way a lie or a mistake. There is no response from the government, not a single document. We have given them everything, every document in our side. Next step is the people have to take the steps of civil disobedience, mass movement, whatever it takes, and it will happen very soon, because the people have lost their patience. And today is actually we are telling the government that whatever happens from now, the Chief Minister himself is going to be personally responsible, because he is not responding even to the people's agitations, all the movements that are taking place. And in fact, you can see that the government is trying to stifle the people's voices using intimidation through the police department and other measures, which the people very clearly realize are steps to try to cut down this movement. But the people are responding in a way that they are taking this as a bigger challenge, and I believe that this will cause more people to come out and join our protests.